Chapter 5. More about Word 2016. Learning Objectives. After studying this chapter, students will be able to add a text box, insert and apply word art styles, use Smart Art feature, add text in Smart Art shapes, insert new shape in Smart Art style. Get ready.
Hey Document Dynamos, what are you doing with that application form? Hi Inbo, I am trying to make some changes to this application form. Oh, do you know what this process is called? Yes, I learned in my previous class. It's called editing.
Great, let us do a quick challenge. Can you write down the shortcut keys for the following actions? Select the entire form. Copy the text. Paste the text. Cut the text. Project: making a poster on parts of speech.
Hey Inbo, what are we going to create in this project? We will create a poster in Word using the Smart Art Styles feature to explain the parts of speech. This project emphasizes the integration of English with computer skills. Subject integration: English. Adding a text box. A text box is a placeholder used to enter text. To create a text box, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the text box option. Step 3. Select the Draw text box. Step 4. Click and drag the mouse pointer to create a text box. Step 5. The text box is ready. You can now enter text. Click anywhere outside the text box to return to your document. Step 6. Click on Shape Outline to change the color and width of text box outline. Step 7. Click on Home tab and change the font size of the text. InfoByte. You can change the style of the text box by clicking on the More drop-down arrow in the Shape Styles group on the Format tab. Applying Word Art Styles. Word Art is a text styling feature in Word that allows you to various artistic effect to the text. The Word Art gallery includes different styles that can be applied to any text. The shape and formatting characteristics of a Word Art object are called Word Art styles. To insert a word art, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the text box and select the text. Step 2. The Format tab will appear on the ribbon. Step 3. The Word Art Styles pane appear. Step 4. Select any style. When you click on the inserted word art, the Format tab appears, offering various options for modifying the word art. The use of some options on the Format tab is defined in the table given below. Option: Text Direction. Uses. This option in the text group allows you to change the direction of the word art text. Edit Shape. This option in the Insert Shapes group lets you modify the shape. Text Fill. This option in the Word Art Styles group allows you to apply different colors and gradients to the word art text. Text Effects. This option in the Word Art Styles group lets you add various effects such as shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation, and transformation to the text. Applying effects. To apply the text effect, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Text Effects. The list of text effects types appears. Step 2. Click on Glow Effect. This will enlist various types of glow effects. Step 3. Choose any of the glow effect. Here we have selected from Green Glow Effect. Step 4. The word art styles applied to the text. Changing page orientation. The change orientation of your document follows these steps. 1. Click on the Layout tab. 2. Click on the Orientation and select Landscape. The document view will be changed Portrait to Landscape. Adding page border. Step 1. Click on Design tab. Step 2. click on Page Border in Page Background group. Step 3. The border and shading window will appear on the screen. Step 4. Click on Box and select any style. Step 5. Click on the OK. Inserting Smart Art Style. In Word, Smart Art Styles let you personalize the look of Smart Art graphics by applying different colors, effects, and layouts, enhancing the visual appeal and effectiveness of your diagrams. Step 1. Place the cursor. Your document. Step 2. Click on Insert tab. Step 3. Click on Smart Art in the Illustration group. Step 4. Select the Hierarchy Smart Art graphic. Step 5. Select the first one. Step 6. Click on OK to insert. Step 7. You can move the Smart Art graphic anywhere in your document. We have moved it below after the main heading text box. Adding text in Smart Art graphics. Click on your Smart Art graphic and adjust the font size and style of the text. In this example, we have used a font size of 14. Click inside the text box within the Smart Art graphic and type the new text. Add new text to the text box. Follow the same steps to add text to the other text boxes. Formatting Smart Art. Customize Smart Art by adjusting colors, effects, and layouts to enhance its appearance. Adding shape in Smart Art graphics. To insert a shape, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on any of the shape where you want to add new shape. Step 2. Press right-click and click on Add Shape option. Step 3. Select Add Shape after option. Step 4. A new shape will be added. Using the same process, add another shape in the layer below. Add a new layer. You can also add a new layer to the Hierarchy Smart Art graphic. Step 1. Click on the first layer shape, Parts of Speech, and press right-click in the mouse. Step 2. Click on Add Shape option. Step 3. Click on Add Assistant option. It will help you to add a new layer in your Smart Art graphics. Add a new layer with the shape, then place another shape next to it. Finally, type the content into all the text boxes. Now, change the appearance of the text in the Smart Art text boxes. Step 4. Use the Change Case feature to change the text in uppercase letter. Step 5. The text will be changed to uppercase. You can also apply styles to Smart Art to make it more attractive. Step 1. Click on Smart Art Graphics. Step 2. Click on Design tab. Step 3. Choose any one Smart Art style of your choice to apply. Step 4. The Smart Art style change appears in your document. Step 5. Click on the shape in which you want to fill the color. Step 6. Click on Format tab in Smart Art Tools to change the color of every shape of Smart Art graphics. Step 7. Click on Shape Fill option to fill the color. Step 8. Select any color of your choice and click on that color. Follow same steps 5 to 8 to fill the color in other shapes. The shapes, now filled with different colors, look very attractive. Next, change the color of the text inside the Smart Art boxes. Sure, Inbo, I have learned how to do that now. Step 9. Select the Smart Art graphic in your document. Step 10. Click on the text color icon in the Home tab. Working with shapes. You can insert various shapes such as lines, rectangles, and stars. This feature is useful for enhancing document presentations with diagrams. To insert a shape in Word, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the down arrow under Shapes option. Step 3. Select the desired shape. Step 4. Click, hold and drag the mouse to draw the shape. Step 5. You can modify the structure of shape by clicking on the yellow circle. Let's write the definitions for the following parts of speech using the Shapes feature. Adding text in shape. You can also insert text inside the shape. To insert text inside the shape, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click the shape in which you want to insert text. Step 2. Select Add Text option. Step 3. Type the text. Text is added. Now, text is added in the shape. Change the text styling by adjusting the font style, font size, and text alignment. Step 4. Select the text. Step 5. Click on Font Style and select any font. Step 6. Right-click on the shape. A pop-up menu appears on the screen. Step 7. Click on Copy option.
Hey Inbo, I need to add 7 more shapes similar to the first one. No problem, you can do that using the copy and paste feature.
Paste the shape. Press Ctrl+V where you want it to appear in your document. Step 8. Change the callout handle of the shape to point towards pronoun. Step 9. Change the text of the shape to write about pronouns. Follow steps 6 through 9 to quickly insert additional shapes. After inserting all the required shapes into the document, we updated the text content of the shapes to match the needed definitions. Applying shape, styles and shadow. Various shape styles are available and you can also apply shadow effects. Step 1. Select the shape which you want to apply shape style. Step 2. Click on the Format tab. Step 3. Click on Shape Styles to see various style options. Then select the one of your choice. Click on Shape Styles to see various style options. Then select the one of your choice. Shape style is applied to all the shapes as shown in the image. Now, apply the shape effects to the shapes by following the given steps. Step 1. Click on the shape and the Format tab will appear on the ribbon. Step 2. Click on Shape Effect and various shape. Step 3. Click on Shadow Effect option and different shadow options will appear. Step 4. Select any one of your choice. Here we have selected from Inner Inside Center Shadow Effect. Step 5. Apply the same effect to all the shapes by following steps 1 to 4. MindHub. Discuss how to insert pictures into a document. Now insert a different shape from the shapes in the illustrations group. Follow the same steps discussed above for working with shapes. Add text to the shape by right-clicking on it. A pop-up menu will appear. Click on Add Text. Step 6. Click, hold and drag the mouse to drag the shape. Step 7. Type the text inside the shape. Step 8. Select the text and click on Home tab. Then change the font type of the text and font size. Also change the text color of the text. Step 9. Click on the shape and change the shape style. Step 10. Click on Shape Outline and select Weight. Step 11. Select the weight for the shape outline. Step 12. Click on Shading in the Home tab and select the same color used in the interjection. Step 13. Select the word Wow and apply shading. Interdisciplinary learning. Identify the part of speech of the word wow in the example below. Then find other examples in the given sentence. Recap. A text box is a placeholder used to enter text. The shape and formatting characteristics of a word art object are called word art styles. You can insert a variety of shapes like lines, rectangles, stars, etc. This feature is very useful as it lets you improve the presentation of a document by including diagrams. You can insert smart art graphics to enhance the visual appearance. You can apply different styles and effects in your document.